Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. And today we're gonna do a Chanel unboxing, and this is a new release for this season, and I'm so excited to open this. And let's open it together, guys. It just came this morning. My SA sent me a picture of this purse. It is a small purse, but it looks organized if you're gonna put your stuff in, and let's find out if it does. And this is it, guys. So pretty. This is called the phone holder with chain, and this is the barcode. And this retail for 2,600 US dollars. It has a flap here in front where you can put the phone in, and in the middle it doesn't have a compartment here, but it has a zip opening here where we can put our cards, and it has 3 card slots, and this is the 31 series. So this is part of the 21S collection, guys. Inside also has a zip opening in here, and it's in burgundy textile lining, and at the back also has another space in here. And the length of this purse is this, if you're gonna put it crossbody. A lot of us are curious what can fit, so I'd like to measure it for us, guys, so we will know. It is 7 inches across, 4.5 height. Width is 1.5 inches, and for the strap drop, 23 inches. It's really beautiful, guys. It is small but compact. So let me get this is my clutch with chain, and it looks like this side by side and together. Looks like this. So this is my Chanel walk, guys, and it looks like this side by side. So it's smaller than a Chanel walk. However, it has organization when you use this. So it will fit. This is an iPhone 10, and it fits well. And there's still like a space, and let's measure the space. This is my iPhone 10 with a case, and I still have like 3/4 inch space here. So you can measure your phone if it will fit here, and it fits really easily, and there's still space here if the phone is bigger. And let's try to see if I can fit my phone here at the zipper compartment. So looks like my iPhone 10 also fit here in the zipper compartment. And let me see if I can put my card holder here. So let's say my iPhone 10 is in here, and I'll put a card holder here. I thought there's a space in here, but there's none, so it's like it's stick together. So let me see if I can put my card holder in. So it fits a card holder, and then that's it. There's not really enough space there. Let me see if I can put my recto verso wallet. So it doesn't fit a recto verso wallet. And I'm curious if it will fit a hand sanitizer. So this is my Purell hand sanitizer. So it won't even fit. So these are just really for the small items, guys. Basically like a phone holder and cards and receipts. And I don't know if, let me see if a lip gloss will gonna fit here. Lip gloss and a lipstick. So lipstick and lip gloss can fit in, but you see how the zipper is already misaligned. So here it is, guys. There's not much that you can fit in here, actually. So standing up, the phone will gonna fit as well, and then we can use this to put the hand sanitizer here. There. This serves as a wallet here at the back. It has 3 card slots and a zipper compartment and another slim compartment here in the middle. So that's it. The space at the bottom doesn't have a width inside, so it's more like one slip pocket here, and it's very small. If you'll buy this, think of this as a wallet here at the back, and then additional compartment here for the receipts, and if you have additional cards to put in, you can also put it in here, and it can fit a phone standing up for easy access. If you are in the grocery or in the mall and you want to put your cell phone here for easy access, you can do that. This is a phone holder basically for this compartment that you can put your phone inside. And this is made in Italy, and this is in caviar leather, gold hardware. This is actually made well, guys. The quilting are puffy, the stitches are in place. It is just a small purse, like a small purse, a grab-and-go purse to use when you go for groceries, or if you are traveling and you don't want to carry a bigger purse. I like this look for a reason that it has like a flap here, which is similar to the regular Chanel flap bag. However, Chanel flap bags has turn lock closure. This one is a magnet form, but it is still beautiful, guys. A lot of people also find this pricey. Yes, it is pricey for a phone holder purse. 2,600 is not cheap for a phone holder, but if it will fit your lifestyle, wherein you want to carry little cash, receipts, cards, and your phone, well, this will really serve your lifestyle. So it depends on your need, but practicality of use for the price, I don't think this is a practical buy for the price. This may be seasonal, but it has the classic look of the purse, and it is in caviar leather, so it will stand the test of time, and it looks good with any outfit. It has a classic Chanel look. Please hit like and subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Thank you guys for watching, and let's do the mud shots now.